Today I'm going to be unboxing a 4-photo gold heart locket from Blanche Jewellery. The locket comes in a nice branded cardboard box, and at the top of the box are lots of little treats. Firstly, we have an envelope with my name on it, so we're going to go ahead and open that up first. There are a few little goodies in here. I'm going to show you them one by one. Firstly, we have a ring sizer here, which is really handy, excuse the pun. And you can use this to measure your ring size. So you just wrap the little band around your finger and that will give you a good reading of how large or small a ring that you need. Next, we have a lovely little branded polish cloth here to keep your jewellery sparkling. And it's soft as you would expect, so that will shine up your jewellery really nicely. Next we have the second envelope that was at the top of the box. This is a little gift card that you can put a bespoke message in. I've got a really nice Valentine's Day message in here, but you can put in whatever you like. And now to get to the most exciting part of the unboxing, that's of course opening up the lovely scented tissue paper here and getting into the locket inside. It smells absolutely divine in here, and this tissue paper has been folded perfectly, so that is ideal for gifting to someone. I'm just going to put the outer box to the side here and open up the gift box that the locket is inside. Inside we have this lovely little velvet pouch that is branded with the Blanche logo. This is an anti-tarnish pouch, so it's designed to keep the jewellery nice and sparkling when it's stored inside. Now I chose the 4-photo heart in gold, but you can also get this in sterling silver, white gold and rose gold. I'm just going to pop the locket open here, but I absolutely love the little moon and stars charm on the front. I've added 4 photos to my locket to make it really personal, and the locket opens up like a 4-leaf clover here with 4 little heart shapes. I also chose the option to have the back of the locket engraved with a short message. Finally, there is a lookbook at the bottom of the box. That also comes with a 10% loyalty discount, as you can see here, and also shows what other products that you can get. All in all, this is a really nice package to send or receive from a loved one. You get the free ring sizer, which is perfect if you're wanting to ever check your ring size. The 4-photo heart locket with optional engraving and photos. The polish cloth, the anti-tarnish pouch, and the gift box.